No go so. You walk with all man where him a bad man and you don't even know in a master. And when you all him bad man them friend them, you hear them a go say, my God, him hatty. He find one other one man. That time poor you don't even know.
Alright, you see the rest of you? The rest of you say, Radam! Ow! Oh my God. You know, ow! Let's jump in it here, man.
I beg fuck me, not begging. A blood clot. Make we see which now we can hold out longer. You stinker. You fuck bad mind bitch. Make it look like you not get no comfort, you not get no pleasure out of. Yes. And me alone want fuck like a favor you grant me. You want to kill your blood clot, you think of your pussy. Eh? God give you my things to keep for me. I'm ready for me things. What you want me to beg for? Me a demand that bumbo clot unless me no want you know.
Yo! Rasta, you see, hey! And this was a video from 2018. What? Rasta say, a your thing? No, it's my thing. It does depend on your body for me. So when me want to give me. So, woman, I'm not going to like say, a man alone get pleasure out of sex. Lies! I'm going to get more pleasure out of it that way. Anyways, moving forward. Don't come for me in the comment section.
I'm talking to Rasta. I have to turn my nose over the next side, you know. Right? And I say, hold on, the man. I couldn't bear it no longer in a Rasta. Until me and the man alone in the car, you know. And I go say to the man, my brethren, Rasta, man, your mouth stinking, man. The man say, what you say, what? Me say, man, it's high, man. The man say, hold on. Stop. Come out of my car, man. Me say, for what? Because you say my mouth stink, man. And me say, what a rascal, man, like this. It look like you're damn dead rat or some bumbo clotting, man. And come out, you know. And take bus and come and me a pen, you know. Right? And to rascal, why is not every truth must be told? I don't like people where I say, it's not every truth must be told, because when a man talk the truth, it shouldn't be an offense to no one, you know, right? A man, if he glad, me believe the man I go say to me now, Rast, you know nothing can help me, man.
The bubble not easy at all. But I truth. Remember say the truth hurt, you know. Who can't take it off his splurt, run left them blows and skirt. The truth always hurt, man, in most cases. But listen, tell me the truth. Tell me the goddamn truth. Like right now, need a whitening for my teeth. They're cute, you know. They're not yellow, but they're not white. I truth. Tell me truth. Anyways, once again, Bobo Dread, tell the truth and people don't like it. Moving forward.
No go so. You walk with all man where him a man and you don't even know in a master. And when you all him and them friend them, you hear them a go say, my God, him hatty. He find one other one, man. That time poor you don't even know. And everything good and bad. And the bad crowd up the good.
Hey, the rest of that, no like. That just like some females have them friends and them friend bad luck of yours. When me see you with the brothers, me can think you're brothers too. So if me have a virgin, but then again, the thing is, when a man a fish, more than likely he have some little feminine tendency, so you're gonna know say you're him a fish. So we are par with him for in the first place. Anyways, Rasta, that ain't no lie. If you associate with fish, then gonna call you fish, or when you're not fish. If you're a sea, then gonna see a fish, even if you're a lobster. Moving forward.
A liar tell man. I man we heart clean of the judgment and I'm blood clot, yo. I chat fuck right man we work hard and kind.
I hear you,
and him.
So far. I'm so feeling.
Yes! If there's a God. Me can't believe there's a God, you know. The man we fuck man, you know. Feed house fat, you know. And in car fat, you know.
What have you running?
Fridge full of food, you know. Land well cut to rascal. And God love him. Yeah, and the one who want to do it, God hate him. Just bumbo clot, you know. Hey, come on, man. Man, we work hard and kind and loving, and him face the blood clot judgment this world no fear. There's a God that me see me and him in an argument.
Oh.
Cause me no know why he give some so much and don't give some none.
Yeah.
Lie! A man dominator. No God. God love little children. Your blood clot, yo.
Who trouble your Rasta this morning? But there's some truth to what he's saying. But then again, you don't know. If fish them always live some luxurious life, but then again, I can't envy a man or woman because you don't know what them a do. And the fish them a living lifestyle because them a fish. And the crazy part is the fish then there with some man where I know fish publicly, but them a fish and a quiet. Why is a fishy world? I must out of market with it. Raw.
Plus, they're collecting the money in the name of Jesus, right? If Jesus come pay money right now, the whole of them gonna prison. Because then take it, make big house, buy a big car, fridge full of food, land well cut, and collect the money in the name of Jesus. That means if you put on Jesus' money, tell when they come, then give me now, right? Yes! And if Jesus come right now, free money, all of them gonna prison. Then I go up.
No, Baba. And the prison never go. Hell never go if you take up Jesus' money and TV. Yo. I can't watch no more. Right now, me love to tell me I get fresh cool. Jesus. Me stuff it to the next side. We think I want more video left. Jesus.
So when a woman a make it look like say no, only man alone get comfort and a man alone want and a man alone get pleasure. This thing is hypocrite business. She get pleasure too, she get comfort and she get satisfaction. So it's quick. You understand? The man no obligate to her and she go make it look like she grant the man favor. No favor granting no enough. She no grant me no favor, me no grant her none. This thing is a must.
Yes, Rasta. Loving is a must. It is a must. Bobo, you're easy, man. Moving forward.
Then one white man say him only want to know him broke. Anyway, hold it. He don't care. Mouth, back, dog.
A white man says so?
Yes, cow, donkey.
I never tell you that as a Rasta.
Them invite me down at the party.
Them invite you because I know you're not fuck.
No, down at the party down there where them date. Right,
So,
just to go
so why him invite you as a Rasta man?
Go sell and them a keep sitting.
Are you hear him saying you did as a Rasta?
What?
Who are you down there?
No, them a keep something down there, big something. And them tell me them a keep and me pass through. And me and them they are rich. Me go see them with woman. Two of them in a room, you know. The woman head in a one lap and in foot in a one. And me say wait, them are two man a gang, the woman to blood clot, two black girl them, and a foreigner man them.
So you not jump in as a Rasta man?
No, man, me no freak. And when me, boy, I said, Rasta with me one broke, you know. I don't care. Anybody hole, right?
Any hole him gone in?
Any hole in saying only one broke.
So you tell him as a Rasta man?
Me can't listen to alien, me can't direct him. Him not going.
Am I alien? Now you're bridging?
They just call them job from coming on your panels, right? No blood, clot you man, right? Come man, and I'll do
How about say, in go ends to right to that, I see one of sister in them, in a white man them lap, foot in a one lap, head in a one lap, and the man say I go visit every hole upon her body. Jaja. The things sometimes, the things. So you not involved Rasta? No. Me not alien. No. Me not a freak. Seriously, Peanut Dread? Seriously? Rather man. Anyways, come to the end of a video. Or the video come to an end. Anyways, just like the video, share the video, subscribe, leave a comment. Peace.